Welcome to the channel. Sorry for the background noise, but if you follow, you'll get it. Today we will learn how to combine various images together to form a beautiful artwork. So let's get to it. First of all, you have to insert your image. So let's insert this image. Please follow accordingly, you will get it. It's very simple. So after inserting this image, you have to choose a background, any color of choice, background. Okay, add this image to it. So you have to stretch it. I think it's okay. Then click on this place. Select eraser. Press A for eraser, or use this E for eraser. Then we have to erase the unwanted part. Sorry for the noise. Sorry for the background noise. I have to erase the unwanted part. Okay, I think it's okay. Then we add this image too. Okay, so transition it. Okay, I think it's okay. Same place, click on this side and erase with the eraser key. Okay, I think it's good. So now what we have to do is we have to add shadows, we have to add filters, and we have to erase certain part to make it nice. So first of all, let's add shadow to this object. Click here, new layer, B for brush. So let's black. First of all, let's make it 100 opacity. And just shadow. We're giving the car shadow. And press E and reduce the opacity to erase the unwanted part. I think it's good. Add another layer, B for brush, and reduce the opacity. Then brush this area too. Reduce the opacity. Want the car to blend in the image. Okay. Another layer. Now you have to zoom in, make a proper shadow. B for shadow. Increase the opacity a little bit. Proper shadow. Sorry for the background noise. Okay, proper shadow. To erase some parts you don't want. To erase this portion. Okay. And we can add shadows to the ground to make the car blend in properly. Okay. Okay, so look at what we have here. This one, this one, this one. Let's reduce it a bit. So for the background noise. And I think it's okay. So now we have to add small blend to this one, blend. So click on this page, go to filter, go to blend, Gaussian blur, add a little blur to the background. I think 2.9 is too much. 2.3 is okay. Okay. So this is what we have. This is what we have. Let's add a little filter effect to it so we can work more on it. So let's add color lockup. Let's add this filter. Okay, and one more filter. Soft. Okay. So see the difference. Color. We have this. We have this. Let's reduce it a bit. So technically, this is how we make an image fit well in the background, or we bring together images. You have to add a little shadow to it, but the shadow is too much, so you have to reduce it a little bit. I think the shadow is too much. And this one, okay, you have to reduce it a little bit. And this one too. Reduce the shadow a little bit. There is a okay, so let's add shadows to the car. New layer, right click on create scraping mask. B for brush, reduce the opacity, and let's brush small. Okay, let's reduce the opacity. So okay, so now you have to merge what? Control Z for back. Okay, that's it. So now you have to merge the image. After merging an image, let's go to filter, go to camera raw filter. You will add a little bit of filter to it to make it pop. Okay, so now let's add a little shadow. Reduce the shadow a little bit. Increase the saturation a little bit. Sorry for the noise. Texture a little bit. Clarity a little bit. So you can see the difference. So you have to play along to make it, or to choose the one you really love, the color you feel that you really love. Effect. I think it's okay. It's a simple work. So now, yeah, we are done. It can be seen like it is original picture without any effect, because you have shadow, you have a little blur on the background image, we had grass, but we just made it. So thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more videos. If you want photo manipulation, I have a lot of photo manipulation on the channel. Search on it and watch it for me. Thank you. See you.